How to adjust head-up display height on MG MS6. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen, then let's find and select the car icon located at the bottom of the list. From the following list, you need to find the head-up display. It's located at the top. Let's just tap it. Of course, you need to have head-up display enabled, because without it you will not see those options, and then you can tap position adjustment. So adjusting is done by using those buttons on your steering wheel, so you can use your arrows up and down, left or right, to adjust the best position. This lets you align the display perfectly with your steering position and height, so you can see it comfortably. Alright, so that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.